Welcome! In this video, we are going to learn how to find horizontal asymptotes for rational functions. It is a super useful skill in calculus that helps you understand how graphs behave at the extremes. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is a horizontal asymptote? Simply put, it is a horizontal line that a function's graph gets closer and closer to as x goes to positive or negative infinity. It tells us the long-term behavior of the function. We will be focusing on rational functions. These are functions that look like a fraction, where both the numerator and the denominator are polynomials. It is essentially one polynomial divided by another. The secret to finding the horizontal asymptote without graphing is to compare the degrees of the top and bottom polynomials. Let n be the degree of the numerator, and m be the degree of the denominator. There are only 3 cases you need to know. Case 1 is what I call bottom-heavy. This happens when the degree of the denominator is larger than the numerator. Because the bottom grows much faster than the top, the fraction gets smaller and smaller. Here is an example. We have x plus 1 over x squared minus 4. The degree on top is 1, and the degree on the bottom is 2. Since 1 is less than 2, the horizontal asymptote is simply the line y equals 0, which is the x-axis. Case 2 is when the function is balanced. This means the degree of the numerator is exactly equal to the degree of the denominator. They are growing at roughly the same rate. For this case, you take the ratio of the leading coefficients. In this example, we have 3x squared minus 1 over 1x squared plus 1. Both degrees are 2. So, we divide the leading coefficients, 3 divided by 1, to get the asymptote y equals 3. Finally, case 3 is top-heavy. This is when the numerator has a higher degree than the denominator. In this situation, the top grows much faster than the bottom. Here we have x cubed over x plus 1. Since the degree 3 is greater than 1, the function goes off to infinity. Therefore, there is no horizontal asymptote for this function. Here is a quick cheat sheet to remember the rules. If it is bottom-heavy, y equals 0. If it is balanced, divide the coefficients. And if it is top-heavy, there is no horizontal asymptote. Pause here if you need to write this down. That is all there is to it. Just look at the highest power on the top and bottom and compare them. Thanks for watching and good luck with your calculus studies.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.